So for this rose wall, you're going to need some glue sticks, thumbtacks, a glue gun, grass panels, and I did use 4 different color roses. These roses are from Flow Room, and I will have the link in the description box below. So here you're just going to see me lay out some trash bags, and I did lay out these trash bags because I didn't want to get the hot glue on my rug. Now these grass panels are 20 by 20 grass panels. At first I was only going to use 6 of them. 8 of them did come in the pack, simply because I didn't know if it was going to look right with using 8 of them with the size of the sign that I was using, but I just decided to go ahead and use all of them. Now I did forget to give y'all a close up of the sign, but it does say Miss Chanel, but y'all will see the finished product at the end. The roses, they did have sticks in the back of them. I did pull those sticks out. They're more so like a foam material, but they look very realistic. Now, I did use 4 different colors because that's my business. But I honestly didn't know how it was gonna look. I figured that those colors were gonna go great together, so that is why I used those colors, y'all. I didn't have a specific reason why I chose those colors. These roses also came with some extra leaves, y'all. I didn't know if I was going to use those at first, but I just decided to throw them to the side in case I did decide to use them. Now, I started to place the roses on the rose wall, y'all, and I just decided, like, hey, I'm going to turn these upside down because I definitely didn't want to get to the end and lift up the grass panels and then the roses just fall completely off because I forgot to glue it down. So I just decided to turn them all upside down. It also helped me realize where I wanted them placed as well. So that turned out really well for me in the end with the placement. So here I just decided to start gluing them down, y'all, and I cannot tell y'all how many times I burned myself with this hot glue gun. You will see me pause at certain points throughout gluing these down just because I burned myself. So if you're gonna be working with hot glue, please be extra, extra careful, y'all, because this is personally my first time working with hot glue, and yeah, it was definitely an experience for me. So y'all are gonna see me pressing really, really hard at some points, and that's just because I was trying to get the roses to stay in the place that I wanted them to stay in because the grass panels are uneven, because of the grass texture and the rose texture together. So I just pressed on them a little bit harder just to make sure that they stay how I want them to stay. And here is the finished product, you guys. I had an amazing time making this rose wall. Altogether, it took about 2 hours. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.